Sisters 3, and today we're gonna do Shopkins Squishies.
Yeah, and we're gonna make a big tunnel or
a cave and out of play-doh. Yeah. And here are all the colours you can make. See? Okay. Let's open the box. Do you want to open it?
Yeah. I can open it with my hands.
My freezers. We're back and we opened the Play-Doh. Now it's just to unbox it.
Yeah.
We're just gonna fast forward so it doesn't get boring because this is taking forever to cut. And
I freeze this.
Now we're gonna make the cave out of the Play-Doh.
Well, do it.
We can do it two ways by like stacking them.
These are the
winners, little yummy snacky, and it's ring pops. 3. So let's get building our cave. Okay, I'm gonna open this. Okay, I'm gonna get some white. White is a really pretty color to me.
I think it's silver.
This is what our little tower looks like. It doesn't look like much, but it will look like something soon. I'm gonna do the pathway. I'm gonna do some yellow.
I'm gonna do this
and I'm gonna do some stairs.
The little pathway.
Maybe go in. We put the Shopkins on the Play-Doh because we thought they would look cute, and we're gonna do Shopkins vs Squishies. This is the pathway, but it's gonna be booby traps. So you have to get around the booby traps. So they think there's gonna be circles here, isn't there, Jalisi?
Yeah.
And if they step in the wrong circle, that means they have to be eliminated. Wherever that is. So gotta choose the right circle, and if you do the right circle, all the circles will go down. Then you can walk across. We chose to do a limbo, so also you can jump over the limbo, but that's just a little bit of cheating. So if you jump, you have to have a longer way. So if you jump, you get taken over to this blue spot. Then you have to go back to the limbo, and then you get to here. Then you get to the green grass. Then you have to choose what circles.
I'm gonna get some usual colours.
Yeah,
that's fun.
but we also can make colours.
Oh yeah, like mini like these. I love it. Cool.
We got some Da Vinci here, you see, and we're going to be using it for little details. Okay, I'm going to get some red. Okay, we'll just get some orange.
I'm going to get this Play-Doh.
We gotta get a lot out.
I'm gonna do a gate.
This is the most big Play-Doh. I mean, Da Vinci. You know, Da Vinci isn't just Play-Doh, it actually has paint in it. Jalisi just made turquoise.
Yeah, turquoise snake.
Yeah. 3 stairs. One question. Do you like Shopkins? In the comments down below, just tell us, and we will try to give you a comment. So this is going to be a ball right here, and if you And this one's gonna be the wrong one. This will be the right one because it's all swirly. We got it at the back of this fridge, you see. Looks pretty cool. We have these top rings and see, and when we put them on, they're gonna be our secret weapons, and they're going to make us stronger. And our goal is to get to the cave. There and whoever gets there first wins. So let's open these rings to make us stronger. And look at this one. It still has a bit of crystal. Mine's flavored.
I got a minion. I got
this girl.
I got a minion.
In the packet, my jewel broke off, so now just looks pretty cool. Hi Priestess. This is my ring. My ring didn't break. It was all perfect. And it's blackcurrant. It's time to start the battle. And one of us has the full gem, but one of us has half of a gem chipped away. And they don't know where it is. Let's get the battle begin. So good. This is the war is going to begin. So let's begin the war. And we've got our magical power wings. Okay, let's start the competition. Me. I'm guessing this one. Oh, buddy. Okay, next teammate for the Shopkins. I'm allowed to use 2 Shopkins because there's 2 types. There's DG gift and Illustrator. Okay, he only has 2 types of squishies, but we're gonna make more. And this one's a family one, as you might know. Okay, and go check out our channel if you want to see how we made these. Shopkins, I'm guessing this type. Sorry, Gigi. Made it. Yo go Squishies. This is so fun. I love spinning in it. Very big. Nope. Now Mommy's turn. Okay. She's not even coming in. Okay, I choose this one and I go here. Ah! Sorry. Blue Shopkin on me. Okay. Okay. It's my turn. I go over, but that means you have to go all the way over here. Then go back. Night time. Pop and pop. I'm upside down. I'm getting all in. I'll get you ready. Get stuck with you. No, get off. Okay, I'll stuck with you. Okay, Julisi, the person that started has to go here when it's your turn. So, it's your go. Limbo.
the limbo. Me.
Okay. I'm gonna go under. I'm gonna go under. No, I'm gonna go over and I'm gonna go here. That's good. And dead. Because when they die, they have to go in the play-doh cans.
Yeah.
And then you see one of yours has to die, don't they?
Yeah. But then this one died.
Yes.
No. Ow.
Okay. Brother, I'm coming to save you. Ding, ding. Okay, I'm with you. You have to go all the way to the spoon. Okay, you made it. It's now the backpack turn. Ging, gang, gong. Okay. I've just a loaf of bread, just a silly loaf of bread. Mini. Mina. Me. I'll upside down. Me. Annie. Brother and sister, I'm coming for you. I don't want to die. We hope you like and subscribe and share and mostly tell us what things to do next. Bye! We heart you. Playing hug.
Play, hug.